This video will teach you how to use Knowify, or how we call it KFC. Click on the three lines at the top to open the menu options. Click on Jobs, and then you can click on top of any job you want. On top you have the address and the arrival window. And then you have the jobs notes, containing important information. After you have the Clock In button, make sure you check in to the job. On top corner right, you can see how long you have been clocked in to the job. On the documents, you can see any pictures added to the job, and it's where you're going to add your pictures. On the comments, you can see any other notes made by someone at the office or any other technician. This is also the place where you are going to add your completion notes. If you want to add a note for a specific person, at the office or for a technician, you can use add an, then the person name, and they will get a notification. If you need a fast response, you should use Google Chat. On More Actions, you can add a purchase. You'll need to add a vendor. After, select the purchased with a company card and find your card on the list. After you click on Next, you'll need to add a short description of what you bought, like materials, nails, or smoke detector. After, add the price. Don't forget to add a picture of the receipt. Click on Next, and you'll see everything that you added, so make sure you have uploaded everything right, and if you're done, click on Submit Purchase. Adding parts means to add something that you got from our inventory at the shop. When you're ready, check out of the job, and you're only marking it as completed if the job is done and you don't need to go back. But if you need to go back, or if there's more than one person dispatched to that job, you'll not mark as completed. Once you mark the job as completed, you need to make sure you added your comments, your pictures, and any purchases if needed. And at the bottom, you'll need to sign. If you ever need to find a job that is active or marked as completed, you can click on the plus sign. On the search bar, type in the job address, and you'll have a list of jobs with that address. If you don't remember if you added your purchase to a job, you can click on the three lines. And then on Purchases. Now you can see all the purchases you have added. On the three lines, you can also click on Schedule, and you'll be able to see all the jobs you're dispatched to. If you ever have any questions, please reach out to someone at the office or to a project manager. Thank you.